Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope you are doing well and preparing hard for exams. Today I am going to tell you 8 important tips to score 90% marks in your maths board exam. Although maths is considered to be one of the highest scoring subject, maths can play a role of nightmare to some students and it is fun for us. Either you can get it completely right and get full marks or you can get it entirely wrong. So let me tell you some tips and tricks to enhance your math score. So without further ado, let's get started. So here comes the tip number 1. Maintain a separate handbook for formulae. So this subject is all about formulae and one must keep them handy. So you must prepare a separate handbook so that you can revise them even when you're on the way to your exam center. So this will really help you out to do the last minute revision. So here comes the tip number 2. So first read the question paper well. Use your reading time effectively to plan out how to attempt the question paper. So this is very normal to get stuck on the questions that you're not aware of. So but simply remember that you have stipulated time to attend the question paper. So in order to score high, you must attend those questions which you are familiar of. Then you have to move those questions in which you are facing problem. So here comes the third tip. Prioritize your attempt and don't worry about the tough ones. So here comes the tip number 4. Keep your answer script clean and presentable. You must keep in mind that the evaluator has to understand each and every step of your answer in most of the cases. So he would not be having much time to spend on your single answer. So avoid overwriting and cutting and don't forget to draw the right margin for the rough work. Here comes the tip number 5. So please answer in step instead of writing long paragraph. Try to give the solution in steps. Evaluator also do stepwise marking while during evaluation process. Here comes the tip number 6. Draw figures wherever required. Figure can help you to score more marks if you draw them with neatness. Here comes the tip number 7. Ensure speed and accuracy. Keep your eye on the watch and don't forget to revise your answers at the end. Last but not the least tip, stay calm and composed and try to give your best shot. Exams plays a vital role in person's life and feeling nervous before it is a quite normal process. So however, if you are prepared well in the right way, then there is nothing to worry about. I'm wishing you good luck for your upcoming exams and if you really find this video helpful, do share with your friends.